13510 Sherry update video. First update, I think, or might be, no, it's the first. So we started working on this one last week. And this is going to be a nice place to rent, double car garage. It's got a large, it's about 7 degrees, by the way. It's got a large backyard. It's all fenced, all nice. This one will be coming up for rent. You can text me if you want to know any more, but we're going to get all these painted, all done. All this, we're putting new flooring here, we're getting all the windows taken care of. All the paint's getting done. We're going to have, we're putting all luxury vinyl through here, right?
Yes.
So right here. So here's the new vanity. It's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So you can see here, we like these LED lights. They really go, they're a lot brighter, aren't they?
Yes.
So we got all this painted, and here's I'll show you in here. Here's the new vanity we're putting into the bathroom. What else we got going on, Les?
Oh yeah, this bathroom, we getting this sprayed Wednesday.
Wednesday?
The kitchen and all that, but we
Epoxy?
installed, this is a new mirror we installed.
Yep.
And a light. So we got the vanity for here and a new toilet going there after we floor it.
And are these guys helping you out any?
Oh yes.
All right.
Yes.
It's the assistants, right?
Yes.
Excuse me, I gotta turn the camera around. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. So we got this all painted, and we're doing the plugs and switches as needed. I got, again, LED lights, same color. Here's the flooring.
Yes.
So we're putting the luxury vinyl in here. It's gonna be real nice. What is it? What kind is it?
This is Tandem Oak. That's the name of that. Traffic Master from Home Depot.
Okay.
Which is gonna be in here, and then in the kitchen we do 100% vinyl floor, kitchen and bath.
Okay. This will
But
be there,
everything
all this.
match up
Yeah.
with.
All right. All this is going through here. This will all be luxury vinyl. And then let's go upstairs. So as you can see, they keep everything covered. Because it's this pine up here that we got, so.
Yeah, we're gonna polyurethane.
We're gonna clean and poly because this stuff's in really good shape.
Yep.
So we're gonna keep it. So you see, all this is getting done, all painted, new plugs and switches and lights. And there's the closet's over here, so it's a big bedroom. Got a little knockout here that you can put as a office or whatever you want.
Studio.
Yeah. Let's go down to the basement, show you what we got going on down, because you're gonna have a partially finished basement. It's a big basement. Let's go downstairs. Right. Doing a lot of work down here. We put a new water heater in. So, brand new. Don't have any problem there. There's the old one. They got a drip pan in there, but they're going to be doing that. And so this is your laundry area. So this has all been dry locked and everything. And we're adding a new bathroom. So this is all beautiful, nice. Shower, toilet, vanities, all going to be done. And then we're going to luxury vinyl this.
Yes.
Okay.
Bathroom.
All right, and so this is your finished area. So again, if you're looking for a place in West Cleveland, I'm Brett with Key Realty. Give me a call, 216-703-5740. Thanks. Check out the websites below.